How to access YouTube TV for free. YouTube TV offers a free trial period for new subscribers, allowing you to experience the service before committing to a paid subscription. Here's how you can access YouTube TV for free. Sign up for the free trial. Eligibility. New subscribers who haven't previously used YouTube TV are eligible for a free trial. Trial duration. The standard free trial period is 7 days, but during promotional periods, it can extend up to 14 days. For example, as of December 7, 2024, YouTube TV is offering a 14-day free trial. How to sign up. Visit the YouTube TV website. Click on the Try It Free button and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account and start your free trial. Number 2, explore promotional offers. YouTube TV occasionally provides promotional discounts for new subscribers. For instance, there have been offers where the monthly subscription fee is reduced for the first few months. These promotions vary and may not always be available, so it's advisable to check the YouTube TV website for current deals. Number 3, consider bundled services. Some internet service providers offer bundled deals that include YouTube TV at a discounted rate. For example, partnerships with providers like Frontier or Wow Internet have offered discounts on YouTube TV subscriptions. Check with your internet service provider to see if such bundles are available in your area. Important considerations. Billing information. A valid payment method is required to sign up for the free trial. You won't be charged until the trial period ends. Cancellation. If you decide not to continue with the subscription, make sure to cancel before the trial period ends to avoid being charged. One-time use. The free trial is typically available only once per household.